below the surface. Sensors in the ground collect data on soil moisture, temperature, and even nutrient levels. This underground data is just as important as the aerial views. This information helps farmers make sure their crops are getting exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. Precision farming at its best, ensuring optimal growth and sustainability.
Pests are a farmer's worst nightmare. They can appear out of nowhere and wreak havoc on a field of crops, causing significant damage and loss. They can destroy entire crops if they are not dealt with quickly. This can lead to devastating financial losses for farmers and affect food supply chains. But don't worry, AI is here to help. With advancements in technology, AI systems are becoming an essential tool in modern agriculture. AI-powered systems can identify pests and diseases in plants just by looking at them. These systems use advanced algorithms to detect even the smallest signs of trouble. It's like having a superpowered magnifying glass. This technology allows for early detection, which is crucial in preventing widespread damage. AI can spot those pesky bugs before they even become a problem. By identifying pests early, farmers can take action sooner and more effectively. And the best part, AI can help farmers use pesticides more effectively. This means applying pesticides only where needed, reducing waste and cost. This means using less chemicals and protecting the environment. Healthier crops and a healthier planet are the ultimate goals.
Some AI systems can even target individual weeds, leaving the crops unharmed. This precision ensures that only the unwanted plants are removed. It's like having a tiny, precise gardener working 24/7. These AI systems are revolutionizing the way we approach farming, making it more efficient and sustainable.
Farming is all about planning. Farmers need to know how much to plant, when to harvest, and how much they're going to sell.
This is where AI comes in again, this time as a fortune teller, but a much more accurate one. AI can analyze historical data, weather patterns, and even market trends to predict crop yields.
This means farmers can make smarter decisions about how to manage their farms and their businesses. Imagine knowing how much corn you'll harvest before you even plant the seeds. That's the power of AI. So what does the future hold for AI in agriculture? Well, the possibilities are endless.
As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions to farming's biggest challenges.
We might see self-driving tractors that can plant, water and harvest crops without any human intervention. Or maybe even robots that can pick fruits and vegetables with the same care and precision as a human hand.
One thing's for sure, AI is here to stay, and it's going to make farming more efficient, more sustainable, and maybe even a little more fun.